Hello. I just remembered that I told you about the owls that my sister gave me, so I just wanted to show those real quick. I think she got these off of AliExpress. So that's the owl I was talking about. It's a partial. This is the one that a lot of YouTubers are doing. And some of the diamonds. And these do have the DMC codes on them also, but they don't have them on the chart. So that's the first one. I can't show the little chipmunk because I gave that one away. And this is the other owl. Or, no, this is a penguin. It's a penguin. Not a lot of beads. See? Penguin. Blah, 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 blah. Penguin. 7. 7 colors. And it says penguin on the bottom. Never noticed that. So that's the key. Hope I can get it in the shot really good. And these are both rounds. So yeah, that would be my 4th round. The one I showed you in the earlier video. This one does have DMC codes on it. And this one doesn't tell me what size it is either. That's what I was looking for, the size. No, not the DMC code. I'm sorry. That's the number of diamonds I'm going to need. Duh. But the package doesn't have the DMC codes on it either. Neither does the chart. And this... No, it doesn't tell me the size either. It just says stick drill site, so you can tell this is a partial because they're just telling you where the drills are going to go. This doesn't tell me how many I'm going to need, but the penguin one does. So these are the one my sister sent me a while ago. And I just want to do a quick video on that. And her channel is Jess Jim on YouTube. JESS space JIM. I hope she doesn't mind that I'm giving out her info. Hopefully you guys can find her channel. She does a lot more than me. She crochets. She does diamond painting also. She does 3D origami. She does some other stuff. But she does a lot more than I do. I try. I get into something. And I stick with it for a little bit. Not too much. But so far diamond painting I have done. I have stuck with it longer than anything. I was into the coloring books for adults. Sorry, there's hair on my diamond painting over here. I'm working on my 80 by 60. I was doing the coloring for adults, but then my 4-year-old started coloring on my pages when I'm trying to color. So I've been working on one page for over a year on and off because she just keeps trying to color on it. So I started it for fall last year. I still haven't finished it, but I'll try to get back into it when she starts school next year. But other than that, I want to show you guys my 80 by 60. So I have you in the selfie mode. So I'm just going to try to hopefully get a good shot. Don't mind my sequence game box. That's what I perch you guys against. Get this out of the way. So this is as far as I got so far. Hopefully my finger's not in the way. And I'm trying. It's big, like I said. It's almost as big as my table, lengthwise. So, yeah, that was it. I'm trying to get some of this done while my 4-year-old's playing in the room. And like I said, I'm trying to do a work in progress video again when she gets into school. So school should be on Thursday. She's only there for 2 hours. So for that 2 hours, I'll try to do my work in progress video. And I like doing it when no one's really home. Only her and me. Because like my little thing. So thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.